DIN, Director's Identification Number, is a unique 8-digit number which can be verified on the MCA portal. Under MCA services, just go to DIN services, and here you can inquire the DIN status by putting the DIN number. It is a 8-digit number representing a unique code. Like here, I have taken 7 times 0 and 1. It is Ratan Naval Tata's DIN number. Likewise, you can inquire the view director master data by putting the DIN number and putting the captcha. The system shows that in how many companies the DIN is registered as a director.